How could you move it like you crazy? I ain't call you back down. Leave me alone. Could you dumb as fuck? Running out the box. Leave me alone.
Welcome guys to another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, as you've seen already, we're gonna be cooking some chicken tenders at home. Crispy chicken tenders, okay? Like these things are gonna be crispy. If you guys don't know already, I'm a chef. I've been a chef since like 5 years old.
Stop the cap.
So like, subscribe, follow me on my Instagram. Also, there's nothing to add. Yeah, let's get into the video. Oh, I forgot to take the chicken out from the freezer. I should have done that before. I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, okay, now we got the chicken at the freezer. Now we could be getting the other ingredients as we chillax, okay? I'm not gonna name the ingredients in this video because of copyright purposes.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let's proceed with the procedure, okay? Alright, now I'm done smelling like vinegar. I need to cut this real quick. Scissors. Okay. Got the scissors. Alright, we got the scissors right now. And we got the milk. Pouring the milk. What am I doing?
Stupid.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Pouring the milk. What am I doing? I've been a chef since like 5 years old. Oh my. What have I done? Alright, we got the, now got a better position. We got the place clean. So we can pour in the milk. I think that's enough. Next we got the chili sauce. Alright, okay. We got to scoop this thing out. We can't even scoop it out. Okay, as I figure out how to get the chili out of the bottle, I just wanted to remind you guys to like and subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram. Let's get on with the video. I just got a different chili. This is way chillier. Let's go for those 10 drops.
Boring.
Okay, I just realized this thing is going so slow, so I'm just gonna expect it. So basically, you put in the chili, then you add a little bit of vinegar, probably 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and then you mix it up. And then when you're done mixing it up, you cover it up with tinfoil, and then you poke it with some holes because of the process of photosynthesis and all that stuff.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So you leave that for like 2 hours. And yeah, or you could just use buttermilk, which is a way easier process. So yes. Alright, now to make the chicken to defrost faster, you're going to want to submerge your chicken underneath water. Yes, I'm using big words. And just wait. So basically, now all you have to do is just chill. Okay, just chill. So guys, once you've gotten your meat out of the bowl, so you want to place your meat, all your meat on the chopping board. The bowl, you're gonna want to beat your meat.
What did he say?
What are you doing?
See guys, that's a shape your friend now one for being.
What?
Gus, speak English. Speak English.
Okay. Chicken strips, macaroni, and the chicken strips.
Macaroni with the chicken strips.
Alright, we got our first set of
The chicken strips.
that. Now,
Shut your stupid ass up.
okay, we got our bowl. We're gonna pour the milk. The milk store we made earlier inside the bowl. Just place your chicken fingers, the chicken strips, whatever you want to put them, into the mixture. I'm gonna mix it up a bit. I'm gonna get all that juiciness inside the meat. Just massage it.
Seems kinda sus.
Anyways, we're gonna let this sit for a bit, and we're gonna move on to the next mixture we need to make with flour and chili powder and whatever. Flour. This is okay. Yeah, got this one. Got this one. Right. Garlic powder and paprika seems about right. I'm using white pepper. So we're gonna set that aside and make another one. Finish it, but just put in any amount of flour. Make sure it's like doesn't overpower the rest. Black pepper. No. Salt. That's a good. Okay. Put in the salt. You can go. Okay.
Why?
Okay, we got the egg. Now we just need to mix it up like that. Just put in what's that bit? We're gonna whisk it again, okay. Now you just wanna mix it until just keep on adding water. This is not gonna fit the chicken, this is too little. Anyways. Okay, you wanna mix that up. When you're done, it should look like this. It should be Mother's water is this. Butter's water if you're not making any sense. So we're done here. Now we're just gonna take out the chicken. You're gonna wanna get yourself up to put the chicken. I take out your chicken strips. Just gonna move this. Okay, put them into the flour. Add the breadcrumbs. Ooh, that smells nice. Nice. Hey, anyways, mix it up. Make sure it's good. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. When you're done here, I'm gonna need some more. I need some more of these things. Okay. So you wanna just put that in the roll it up. Transfer it to this other book. When you're done with it, so you get it all in. Oh, this thing smells nice. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Right. Oh, that's heavy. Right. So mix this up. Mix it up. Mix it up. Get it in there. Yeah, let's go to the fire. Hold on.
Guys, that's strong. No? Please, guys. Where's the first
Wasting your time. Stop wasting your good time because that is where you go wrong.
I'm not embarrassed. This is really embarrassing. Gotta keep evaporating.
Now we just have to wait for. Okay, so this is how it's meant to look. Whoa. This is how it's meant to look like. Oh, it's sticking. Why is it sticking? Hold up. I'm not trying to get down back in here.
I am the one, your son don't need a gun to get respect.
What is that?
Ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
The Marcus, go to Marcus, go to Marcus, go to Marcus, go, 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 go.
Alright, so now the chicken is ready. Now you can take it to, now it's ready to be served, so you can take it to your family members, or eat it yourself. Yeah. Yo, taste this delicious chicken I made.
Looks good. Let me just.
Man, this ting bussin'.
Stop the cap. Wow.
Thank you. Alright, so guys, next you're gonna wanna fix yourself a drink. So I'll try my special combo with the Sprite and Ribena, which is a delicious combo of Sprite and Ribena. Okay, so basically you put Sprite and Ribena and look at this beauty. Alright, now so you're done feeding your whole family, you're just gonna have to enjoy what's left. Yeah, I know it's sad, but you'll survive. Okay guys, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, please subscribe, and follow me on Instagram as usual. And thank you for watching. Peace.
I should fuck her in the Benz.